So in this video, you're going to learn how you can simply create a road with Magascan materials and Blender. So I already get this material from Magascan and just simply click on export and just add in manual engine. Now simply click on asset action, then export. So now save whatever wire you want and make sure that is the all file. Click on saved. Once you do that, you need to come in Blender, click on generate project, then remove all this stuff. Then let's add mesh and we'll be add a plane. So we'll be select at like this thing, so we can basically see the material. Now go to shading and now click on add a material and let's give it name matte road. Now we'll be click on add search and here we'll be search image by texture. Now at here click on open and go to your picture and just select your Magascan texture, click on open, then connected this color with your base color and voila, as you can see you find your basically this stuff at here. So now we need to do some customization, so let's start. So for customization, simply go to edit, just select this edge, okay, kind of like that, then simply click on extrude, then make it some down like little bit. So now we have kind of like this, so then select this ones. And also if you want set to individual, so it will be, I think it should be also work. So no, it's not working, so let's select this one. And now whatever do, we'll be just simply drag them into this point. So for this one is also only 3. Okay, so we have now a nice curve in our, as you can see it's look more good. Okay, but the problem is, as you can see, that because there's a little bit of problem, the biggest problem at here, this as you can see the UVs. Okay, so for fixing this thing, you can go to UVs editing and select this ones, go to select face, and also you can, by selecting these materials, you can go to UV, so it will automatically come. But don't worry, if it's not come. Now select this all the stuff, and once you select, click on UV, unwrapped UV, and then select smart UV project, click on OK. So as you can see, it's automatically fixed, but it's not good how we want. So for fixing this thing, we'll be just simply drag it like this, and then we'll be select the edge like this, then we'll also select this edge like this. Okay, so now we have the perfect of these ones, but we need to, as you can see, we need to just rotate this thing into like this -90. So we found a perfect basically. So now we need to just fix these ones. Okay, like we want that it should be a face, okay, like this. Okay, so we'll be select kind of like little bit like this, then select this edge and then simply adjust how much you want. So I'm just setting how much I want, and now it's more good. Now for fixing this thing, just select this whole both and then make them smaller and just simply do like this thing. For get more better result, we can basically rotate them, so we found more good result, more good result. Okay, as you can see, it's now quite enough more good. Okay, we have now the simple and high quality UV texturing. Now we can use in our game this is. Okay, so basically we can use this model in our any of game. So I just hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching guys, love you all, bye bye, see you in next video.